Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Wanted to do a full video. Someone requested this as well, and just in general, I think technically, since the last time I covered it, I think we got a nice bullish breakout on Thursday, so that's already last week. That's already 5 days ago, but I still think it matters. And also today, like yesterday, we had a pretty big sell-off among altcoins, right? So all altcoins sold off quite a bit, and we're bearish. And I think Ondo has so far been successful in holding its key support level, which makes it interesting, all right? Because that's bullish. On the higher time frames, even though, I mean, if you zoom out and you look at this, you would say, oh, Ondo is so bearish. But I think on the 12-hour time frame, I think on the daily time frame, I think we're bullish. So we're starting with that. Not sure if I said that, but someone requested this as well, all right? So this is for you. We're covering it. But yeah, so let's get right into it. So the main thing that I like about Ondo right now, and that's also like last video, I talked mainly about 75 cents and that we needed to break above that and hold that. And we were able to do that on Thursday and Friday. But I think the more crucial level, and I think that's also visible in the daily time frame. Like first of all, on the daily time frame, there's massive resistance at 80 cents. All right, so it's not that weird that we fell down from that level. So I think the bearish move we had there, at least for now, actually isn't that bearish. It's just normal. Even though, I mean, the thing is that most of the reason why Ondo fell down is because Ondo doesn't really have its own strength at the moment. There's no real RWA narrative. If we look at the momentum for Ondo, it's also practically non-existent. There's some momentum, but it's relatively low. I'm not sure why I said that. But yeah, so the reason why Ondo is not necessarily rallying or why it's not weird that this resistance level holds is that Ondo has no specific strength on its own right now, right? It's just mainly following the markets. But then if you zoom out, like every altcoin still has its own moves. And if we look at the technical situation right now for Ondo, like the main support level we had for a long period of time was this support level right here between 70 and ultimately 75 cents, but the main support level was 73 cents. And we're able to hold that beautifully. We broke above that Thursday, we're able to find support here today, and that technical setup we have right here, which is basically a crash with a reclaim, right? Something like this. I think that technical structure is bullish. So that in combination with my expectation that Bitcoin is going to hold this level and is going to bounce from here, makes me bullish on Ondo. Now for that, I do want to zoom in a little bit though. And like I said, like at this moment, if you look at it like this, it's not that bullish. All right, so what I would wait for is, well, ideally the RWA narrative to pop back up again. But that's a lot to ask for, of course. Ondo itself fundamentally is doing fine. There's no real momentum. I would say technically just wait for some sort of a clear breakout above something like 78 cents. Right? If we're able to get the breakout right now, then Bitcoin is probably also bullish. So then we have a Bitcoin that's bouncing. We have a bullish technical setup for Ondo on the daily time frame, plus a breakout on the 4-hour time frame. Then I would consider buying. But Ondo, it's not, just to be fair, it's not on my watch list to buy. I think that's a great opportunity, and something like this is in general what I expect, as long as Bitcoin holds, as long as I'm right about Bitcoin. But yeah, I would wait for a little bit more confirmation here due to the lack of momentum before buying Ondo if you want to. And in general, even though that's perhaps not what you want to hear, I think there's better cryptos to keep an eye on. But those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.